I'm back to make another soap. I decided to go ahead and make 2 soaps today, kind of make up for lost time. Okay, so to my oils, I'm going to do my normal. Let's put some oatmeal in here. The Cloto oats have soothing properties, helps calm and helps calm down any kind of skin irritations. You know, all the good stuff that oatmeal does for your skin. And then, actually, we're not doing kaolin clay in this one. And that's because I'm going to be putting rose clay in this batch. And I have kaolin clay in the fragrance too, because my fragrance is an essential oil blend. It's a 75% essential oils with 25% fragrance oil. I'm making a body bar with Irish sea moss in it. It's good. Irish sea moss is a great additive to your soap. It helps boost your skin's natural ability to produce collagen. It has antibacterial properties. I'll put more information on it in the information box. Okay, since this is going to be a body bar, I wanted it to be something that is refreshing on your skin. You can use it in the morning in the shower. So I did a grapefruit essential oil, a little bit of dark patchouli essential oil, and grapefruit essential oil. And then I used 25% of pink grapefruit fragrance oil. I just wanted to make sure there was a good anchor of this citrus scent, so it is something that's just going to wake you up in the morning. It's a good body bar. You could use it on your face, but I'm not going to, I guess, promote it as a facial bar because I do have a little bit of fragrance oil in there, and some people can be a little sensitive to fragrance oil on their skin. So here I have my sea moss gel that I made myself. If you want me to make a video on how to harvest and process, not harvest, but process Irish sea moss, so you can make your own sea moss gel for all your cosmetic applications, let me know and I'll make a video on how to do that. But right here we have my sea moss, homemade sea moss gel, and I have it mixed in with my lye. And that will be going in. So to this, I already have my oatmeal in there, which is just another level or additive, something to help soothe your skin. So let's give this a whirl. We're actually going to get both of my buckets ready because we're going to pour both batches at once. Each of these are 60 ounces of oils. And I'm using another slab mold that is 120 ounces of oil, that use 120 ounces of oils. So again, let's put oatmeal in this side. And this side, I am just going to use a bit of titanium dioxide. And then the other side's going to have the rose clay. Give it kind of the pink color to go with my pink grapefruit scent. And this batch has its sea moss lye mixture ready to go too. So there is no water. There is no water in this entire batch. It's all been replaced with sea moss gel. Let's give this a quick whirl. Okay, I got all that Cloto oatmeal melted into my oils. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my TD in with my lye water right here. And then let's give that a quick whirl. Alright, I do like mixing my TD in with my lye water so I can give it another layer of mixing so I don't get any white speckles. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we're going to get let's get our rose clay into our bucket. I need another spoon. So let's put our rose clay in here. We're just going to do about that much. Maybe a little more. I am going to use TD. Well, it does have TD. My lye water has TD in it. So it will be a light pink. That's all I want. I just want a light pink. I don't want a dark pink. Okay, we're going to go ahead and melt this rose clay into my oils. Now I know this looks really dark right now, but as soon as I add the lye water and sea moss solution, it will lighten up because I have that TD in there. So let's go ahead and do that and we'll get mixing. Lye solution going in. Now we're making soap. And like I said, this is a 100% switch out. There's no water in this. All sea moss goodness. And that's it. And we're going to we'll go ahead and put the lye solution into this bucket. Okay, let's give this first one a whirl, get it mixed, and see how we see if we like the way it looks. Oh wow. See, isn't that a gorgeous color? I think that goes great for my pink grapefruit body bar. My pink grapefruit and Irish sea moss body bar. Okay. Let's leave that one like that. And then we'll go over here and get this one mixed. And then we're going to add our essential oil and fragrance oil blend. Beautiful. Okay, here's our essential oil blend. I got it mixed with some kaolin clay to help anchor it, since grapefruit essential oil kind of does not like to hang out in the bar. But with the kaolin clay, and then I anchored it with the dark patchouli. It is nice and bright and beautiful and goes perfect with this bar. It's perfect. Here is my soap mold. Let's put some pink down first. Get a nice bed of it on the bottom. Okay, guys, that is it. This pour is done. We got our sea moss, pink grapefruit, patchouli, and rose clay in the mold. Okay, so don't go anywhere. The cut is next. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back. We are going to cut a different soap. This is my Irish sea moss, Irish sea moss and grapefruit body bar. And this has kaolin clay in it, rose clay, oatmeal, 32 ounces of Irish sea moss, grapefruit, and patchouli essential oil with blended with a grapefruit fragrance oil. Now these are going to be large body bars, and I will add some information in there in the box below about the skin benefits of Irish sea moss. Now this is a big, beautiful, invigorating bar that I would use in the morning or whenever you need a pick-me-up. The smell is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and the grapefruit and the little teeny bit of the patchouli really just takes this over the edge, and it's beautiful and a perfect body bar. It's a good size bar. Now I've made another bar, actually a facial bar that I named Cece. That was my Irish sea moss bar. Actually, let's size this up a little bit. And that one had amazing ingredients too. I think that one was a pollen-free bar. This bar was not made with using water. All the water was substituted out with the Irish sea moss gel. And the Irish sea moss gel I processed myself. And if you want to see a video on how I did that, let me know in the comments, and I will be more than happy to make a video showing you how to process your own sea moss. And when you make the sea moss gel, you can use it for soap, any of your cosmetics. I've used it for a body cream that I'm currently testing, a body cream that I used my sea moss gel in, and so far it is done beautifully. It's extremely moisturizing. It has tons of skin benefits. But so yeah, you process this sea moss gel, you make it yourself. It's super simple. You just get some sea moss. I order mine off of from a distributor on Amazon. And you follow a few simple steps. And I keep my sea moss frozen. I freeze it in blocks, and I just take out what I need when it's time out of the freezer. The grapefruit coming through this, the scent is just amazing. I can just smell this in the shower in the morning with the steam and the suds. In your whole shower room, you're gonna smell the grapefruit, citrus. Now the patchouli is barely there, and I put the patchouli in there, and I'm not a patchouli person at all. It is too strong, it's heavy. I've never really enjoyed it, but when you mix it with a citrus, it helps anchor the citrus, and and you don't really necessarily smell the patchouli itself, you just smell the warmth of it, if that makes sense. So when you get this bar, don't think you're gonna get this overwhelming scent of patchouli. It's not at all. It's clean, it's citrusy. It's not just citrusy, it's grapefruit. You can smell the grapefruit. And then the clays in the bar will help get all the dirt and oils out of your pores. And it will gently polish your skin as you're using the bar over your body. And like I said, this is a large body bar. Alright, you guys. If you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification button too, so you get notified every time that I upload a video. Also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Let's look at this last one. There you go. Thank you. Bye.